This is the second part of the EV calculator. If you haven't watched the first part of the EV calculator, then go to the description and watch the first part. So in this video, we will verify our calculator for Mercedes-Benz EQC, Mahindra Trio Yari and Ather 450X. So first we will verify it for Mercedes-Benz EQC. So we have the data for Mercedes-Benz here: curb weight, track coefficient, frontal area, average speed, overall gear ratio, tire size, battery pack, claim range, and the actual range. So here the average speed is 60 km per hour according to the Indian road condition. So we will verify it. What we have to do is we have to go to the Google and open the Octave online website, and we have to run this program. So it is asking the curb weight. So I will enter this data: 2425. It is 5-seater vehicle. Average mass of passenger is 75. Payload is 0. Drag coefficient is 0.28. Total area is 2.6. Average velocity is 60. Overall gear ratio is 8. Now I know the tire size. So the tire size is 255 45 R20. So I want to calculate the running range. So for lithium ion battery, per unit cost is 10 rupees. Battery capacity 80 kilowatt hour battery. So the running range without considering AC and other equipments is around 342 kilometer. So the average consumption is 187 watt hour per kilometer, and with considering AC and other equipment, the range is around 300 kilometer, and the average consumption with AC is 215.86 watt hour per kilometer. Per charge cost is 428 rupees, and per kilometer running cost is 1.2 rupees per kilometer. So we will verify this range: 342 and around 300. So I have opened some tab here. Here you can see the EQC has claimed the range upwards of 450 km, but the real world range is around 350 to 375 km, and what we have got is 296. Sorry, what we got without AC is 342 km, so which is quite closer to this data: 350 to 375. Now, this post is from Autocar India. Now the second is from the driven. Here we can see the Mercedes-Benz EQC. The BEV means battery electric vehicle range is 353 km, and what we got here is 342 km, which is quite closer. So now we will verify for Ather 450X, which is a two-wheeler. So we will run our program. Now first I will clear this screen by using CLC. Okay, so I will again run this program. Now what I have to do is I have to enter this data for the two-wheeler. Curve weight is 108. Now the number of passenger is 2. Average mass is 75. Now the total load present on a vehicle is 0. Payload. Track coefficient for two-wheeler is around 0.88. The frontal area is 1.071. The average velocity is around 32. The gear ratio is 7.8. Now I know the tire size. I will enter. Now the tire size is 90/90/12. So now I want to calculate running range will enter 1 for lithium-ion battery per unit electricity cost, which is 10. Now the battery capacity in kilowatt hour, which is 2.61. I will enter 2.61. So we got our result. So running range without considering AC and other equipment, because there are no AC in two-wheeler, so it is 78 kilometer, and the per charge cost is around 14 rupees, and per kilometer running cost is 0.17, means around 2 paisa, 20 paisa per kilometer, and the average consumption is 26.73 watt hour per kilometer. So now we will verify this data. Okay, I have opened one tab. uh, this is from the bikedeco.com. Here we have data like specification for Ather 450X. So here we can see the claim range is around 116 km per charge, which is from ARAI. The actual range in eco mode is 85 km per charge, and the range in normal mode is 70 km per charge. And what we got here is 78 km per charge. So we got our result in between this. So now we will verify our data for Mahindra Trio Yari. I will again run this program. I will open this data for Mahindra Trio Yari. So now I will enter this data. The curve weight of actually it is 5-seater rickshaw, driver plus 4 passenger. Average mass is 75. Value of 0. Drag coefficient is 0.39. Frontal area is 1.483. Average velocity is 10. Because the maximum speed, the top speed of Mahindra Trio is 25 km per hour, so its average speed will be the 40% of its top speed, so it will be 10 km per hour. The overall gear ratio is 10 to 1. Now I know the tire size. It is also the same tire. Now I want to calculate the running range for lithium ion battery. So the battery capacity of Mahindra Trio Yari is 3.69. Okay, so the running range without AC and other equipment is around 81.45, means around 82 kilometer. Per charge cost is 20 rupees, and the per kilometer running cost is 0.25 rupees per kilometer, means around 25 paisa per kilometer. So we will verify this. Okay, so we have this model Mahindra Trio Yari HRT, and the certified range is, means the range by ARAI is 125 kilometer, and the typical means the actual range is around 85 kilometer, and what we got here is 81.45 kilometer, which is quite closer. So we have verified our calculator for Mahindra Trio, which is three-wheeler, Ather 450X two-wheeler, and two four-wheeler, which is Mercedes-Benz EQC and Nexon EV. If you want, I can also make video on this remaining vehicle. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.